one day at school, during lunch, one of my acquaintances sat across the table from me, and as my entire student body was eating our amazing catered lunch from this Italian restaurant down the road, I was sitting there eating half of a rice cake, nothing on it, and had 6 empty water bottles in front of me. One-a-day gym sessions quickly turned into 2-a-days for 3 hours each time, running miles and miles on a treadmill. At a certain point, I could run for 2 hours straight.
You go out to parties and you see these girls in these crop tops and wearing basically nothing with these great bodies, and you're like, shit, why don't I look like that? Or how can I make myself?
Seeing all these girls wearing basically nothing, being so confident in their skin, and there I was trying to hide every part of my body that I didn't like. For a while, it was really bad.
I lost literally all spontaneity in my life. I couldn't just, I woke up every day knowing exactly what I was gonna do.
I couldn't do things. I didn't want to go out to eat with my friends. If I did go out with my friends, I would leave almost immediately.
The biggest step towards recovery was putting myself out of my comfort zone and just kind of loosening up that structure that was so controlling on my life.
Since coming to TCNJ, I've had such a big support system that's been so good to me about things like this, and being able to talk to people and understand that I'm not the only person going through it, and that there's other people out there, and that everything will be okay, and that there's resources out there and things like that, was just so important to me, and that's the reason why I do things like this.